This is how you turn $100 into 20 grand. Let me show you this right now. This is really cool. There's this misconception that, you have to have a lot of money to invest in Bitcoin. And the beauty behind Bitcoin is that I get to buy $100 of Bitcoin a week at the exact same price that Michael Saylor is buying $1 billion a month for. Like, to be able to buy a fraction of Bitcoin and pay wholesale prices is very unusual, meaning that you can buy fractions. Usually somebody that buys a bunch gets a discount. That's called wholesale versus retail. You and I are able to buy $100 a week or $1,000 a week, allocate that to Bitcoin over, I'm going to use the assumption it's 4 years. And I want to show you what the compounding effect of Bitcoin does, assuming you're investing. And let's just take into, I've got a helper over here. He's going to help me with some calculations. Let's say that we take $100 every 2 weeks. Okay. $100. I can't imagine that there aren't people out there that can't produce $100 of value in fiat, okay, in nice big $100 bills. You sell some lemonade, you come work for me, clean windows, drive an Uber, do whatever, and you do this every 2 weeks as a part of your pay. You automatically deposit $100 into a strategy to just buy every week, whatever, Friday, Thursday, whatever. And you do that for 4 years. Now, Sam, I had my little DCA calculator. If you guys want to do this, go to this website, dcabtc.com, and it'll just run the calculations for you out 4 years. But $100, I'm going to clean all this, okay? $100 over 4 years. Now, we are in 2024 right now. Okay, it's October. It's September. Okay, and back 4 years ago. Okay, that would be 2020. We invested $100 every 2 weeks for that 4 year period. Sam, what's the calculation come out to be?
Total invested would have been $10,500.
$10,500. Okay. This is, by the way, post-tax, net of taxes. Okay. So let's remember, you had to make a little bit more than that to deposit this over 4 years into Bitcoin. Now, in 2024, Sam, today, that is today, September, what would that investment be worth? For the 10,000, I've literally put 2 wedges of $100 each every month for 48 months, 4 years, 12 months in every year, 48 months. What does that initial $10,500 equate to today?
$22,840.
$22,840. Okay? Guys, this is double what you could have done in the stock market. At least double, okay? If these kind of returns aren't significant to you, this is a true investment savings platform where you just go in automatic. This is the way real people make real money and they retain this wealth. They continue to invest in it, just like you're filling up your automobile to go to work every day. You got to go to work. You have to invest the fuel to get your car to work so that you can generate money. This is exactly the same strategy, okay? It just requires a little discipline. It requires you to think of your money as if it's a vehicle, okay? Now, that vehicle can drive right off the bridge and end up like 95 or 97, 98% of the people on this planet broken. Or you can look at your investment strategy just like you do driving your vehicle. You actually plan out a trip. You make consistent drops into your fuel tank, and you keep driving and going down your journey of life. And then one day you wake up and you get 22 grand. Okay. If that was $1,000 a month, okay, that would have been $1,000 a week. This would have been $220,000, guys. Okay. 4 years, very, very short time period. Now I can run this out 8 years. I don't need to run it out 8 years. Okay. What I need to do is look at 4 years. And if you look at Bitcoin as a 4-year vehicle, this is an interesting fact, and I'm going to end here. There isn't anyone that's held Bitcoin for 4 years straight that's lost money. Not one human being has held Bitcoin for 4 years, no matter what they bought it at. They held that product all the way through duration. Everyone's made money on Bitcoin if you have a mature investment strategy. And to me, this is the most mature, responsible investment strategy. Consistent application into one of the greatest assets, most liquid asset on planet Earth. This is a great strategy to get wealthy.